In the game, the player will interact with the different checkpoints. If the is checkpoint collision detection active is false, then you will need to stop the player's movements on the X and Y axis. Start by creating an if statement for the condition checks if it was false. Remember that you can use the negation operator to check if the variable is false. So we have to create an if statement in here, and inside the parentheses is the condition. And it says we have to check this if it is false. So in checking whether it is false, we have to use the negation operator to negate this, which is currently active. We have to make it not active with the use of the negation operator. So as a prefix, you have to use the negation operator before this is checkpoint collision detection active. So if it is true, if it is false rather, then we have to stop the player's movement on the X and Y axis. So what do you think we will input in this part? It's the position, because we have to stop the player moving, correct? If we use the velocity, that would be wrong, because velocity only calculates the speed moving to a direction in a vector quantity matter, meaning from A to B, the speed that takes moving from A to B. Anyways, the point is we have to use the position and then X, put it to 0 to stop the player moving at the X value. Also, we have to stop the player moving at the Y value with the what? Also, we have to make the player stop moving at the position Y with the value of 0. Okay, nice.